Reel in a little bit. Reel. Stop.
I see him.
Pull.
I got him.
Glue bata.
Shut up. I did it nice.
Fight slow. Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Completely the Outdoors. So we are actually on that new body of water. Today the target plan is to catch some smallmouths, and we'll see if we manage to do that. Again, I am out here with the family. So we'll see if we manage to catch some fish, and stay tuned. I will see you guys then. Alright guys, we are on some beds. There's actually one sitting right there. There's a decent one over there too. They're probably like 2.5 pounders. I don't know if they're gonna bite because there's a boat over here earlier. I think he's right there.
What?
Pop. He's right there.
Huh?
Yep, pop it. Ooh, okay, go. You gotta throw past. Yeah, you gotta throw past the nest.
I know. It's hard. It's hard to.
Ooh, he's coming. Ooh, he's right there. You see him?
Do I?
No. Okay, you gotta throw it farther out.
Okay. I think his mouth is too small.
No, it's not. It's right there. I can't.
Oh!
The nest is right here.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
Throw it right in the nest. He's gonna.
You said throw it.
Throw it past his nest. You're throwing to right into his nest.
See, I don't know. I think I'm scared because I might hook you.
Just throw. You're not gonna hook me.
Is it still on the nest?
Yeah, he's right on it. Okay, pop. Stop. Ooh, pull. Oh.
Oh, I saw him.
Do it again.
Okay.
So close, Mr. Bison.
Okay, good. Let it sink.
Tell me when to start reeling.
Reel a little bit. Okay, stop right there. Ooh, he's okay. So you're right in the middle now. He's swimming right there. He'll come back. Pop a little bit. Pop. Get real. Cast again.
Okay.
He's right here.
Right there.
So cast it over again. Okay, right there. Here.
Let it sink.
Real.
Reel.
Pull over here. Real.
Reel.
Stop. Okay, past him already. Pop.
Pop.
Real.
Reel.
Pop. Oh, he doesn't want yours. Here, try mine.
Okay. I think you want something rubber. Try it.
Here, you do it.
Hold mine then. Use mine.
Wait, he's swimming away again.
Bruh.
He's right there now.
You're saying he does the same.
Come on.
You have a bunch of hairs stuck in there.
Oh no!
Dad.
Was that big?
No.
Dad, did you set the hook?
That was the first fish. It's right there.
No littering. Did you get it?
Yes. Is my camera on?
No.
No, it's my head camera.
No, it's not flashing.
Here comes that line. Oh. Come on, up. Man, these guys are smaller. These guys are smaller, but they're feistier.
Where's the measuring?
Good color on this guy.
that big one. Dad, where's the number nest?
Throw over there. There you go, let it sink. Push it. Ooh, yeah. No, pull. Oh, no.
Oh, did he bite?
Yeah, he did. Do it again.
Again? That was weak.
He's still in there.
I'm gonna.
Either here.
Do a backflip.
Real?
Rich?
Real. No.
We got him.
Hold. Am I?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep it down. Keep your fishing pole up. No, stop reeling. Get ready, Ally. Stop reeling.
I'm not.
Ally, come on. Oh, no. Careful, you're gonna get stuck, Ally. Go deeper.
Deep.
Come on, scoop him.
Scoop him like an ice cream cone. Oh my gosh.
Take your net out. Wait till he comes around again. Okay, go. Put it down.
Go.
I then flip it the other way. Pull it towards Ally. Oh god.
No.
Oh my god. Up, Ally.
Oh my god. Adeline.
You got this. Oh my. Ally, take it out. Okay, do it now.
I think I don't like me that.
There.
Oh my gosh. Hey, put it right here.
That's a nice one. That's a really nice one for here.
Oh, it's good. Okay, take it out right now. We need pliers.
That's a really nice one for here. 3 pounds 11 ounces.
11?
3 pounds 11 ounces. There you go, big mama. There's 2 nest eyes and you just gotta land it in one of them. There you go. Sure. Okay, just wait. Real. You have too much slack. You gotta get rid of the slack. For real. Okay, pop. Okay, stop.
Where'd he go?
He's swimming to it.
Oh.
Pop. Oh, he looked at it.
Should kind of move it more in the nest.
Reel it in again. Yeah, reel it in again. And cast it right in the nest. Pop it a little bit. Okay, stop. Oh, he's coming. Get ready, he's gonna come move you. Do it again. Okay, get ready, he's gonna eat you. Pop it again. Pop it again. He's gonna come. Oh, you went past his nest. Okay, reel. Try again.
He likes this.
Yeah, he likes it. He doesn't like it. He's mad at it. Can I try?
What, you want to try mine?
No,
No, you're not going to fish it.
I'll let you have him. He's an easy one.
Is that the...
Pop it a little bit. Stop. You passed his nest already, huh?
No.
Are you in it?
Oh, wait, no, I passed it.
Yep. That's how I know he was looking at yours.
I was jigging too hard.
Where's all the salty food? Move like butter.
But I don't know.
Make it some. Where's the net line?
No.
I want to. Let me net. I'll show you how it's done.
No, I want it tonight.
Good job, Isaac.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta wait.
Go that way. Okay, bring it back this way now. Elaine, get ready. Scoop up. Oh. All right.
Ew.
He's feisty. He's like, took you guys long.
3 pounds and 3 pounds, 3 ounces. Speed 3.
Good job, baby.
Okay.
There's one out there.
Really far out there?
Yep, give me mine. Give me that one.
This one? I like using this.
Ah,
It's so uncomfortable.
this is Uncle Pink's reel.
Really? Well, Uncle Ping has bad taste in reels.
There he is, right there. Ooh, he's coming already. Oh my gosh!
Oh, I want to net him.
No, I missed him.
No.
I missed him.
I want to net the one that Dad catches. Well, now we have to call him a
You should ask for Mrs. Grant. And nice.
Who's Miss Brett? Oh, that tall girl with that smile and brown hair.
Yeah.
Well, oh, that girl? Oh, that one! Bring him in. Yeah. Did you even set the hook?
Yes. This is the one that we were over there trying to catch. Yep. Oh, it's the one that we tried catching earlier. Just wait, Eisen.
Easy shot.
Alright, there we go, guys. Got another one. That might be pushing 3. Can you see him?
Right out, tiny little branch.
You can't see him swimming?
No?
He's right on top of it right now. You know, the branch goes like this? He's right in the middle of it.
Oh.
Almost.
What's that?
To the right more.
Oh, I see him.
You see him? You see him right there?
I don't know what happened to all the good ones. I don't know why I picked so much floating ones. Got him?
Yep.
Can I?
Hmm.
Real. We need netter.
Just wait. Just wait.
Woo!
Keep him down. Keep it angle. Side angle. Side angle.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna swim up again. You got too much line in it.
Ready, Alan?
Lift up. Alan, come on.
Scoop.
Up.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, this one's smaller than I thought it was.
Yeah, I know. It was light. Felt light.
Ouch.
Don't hurt my dad, please.
He choked it.
Gonna choke it?
He choked on it. Meaning he swallowed it really deep.
What's that thing? It kind of looks like a fish. Get back in the water. Can I hold him?
Yep. No picture, we just let him go. Come on, hold up. Pinch hard. Pinch hard, very hard. Okay, there we go.
Release.
Catch and release. Alright guys, we got another cruiser. That's his bed right there, the bright green. And of course, the boat's gonna float over it because that's what the boat does. Just gotta sit and wait for him to come back. Guarantee you guys when oh, there he is. As I say, when he comes back, it's gonna be windy. Come on, buddy, come back.
Dad, what was my biggest fish that I caught? 3 pounds and 11 ounces.
Yep.
And your biggest was 3 pounds, 15 ounces.
Ooh, look at all those mayflies.
What are mayflies? Oh yeah, those big ones. Okay, I got the food dabbled.
Just wait. He's still green. Still active. Take the net out of the water. Take the net out of the water until he's ready. You can get tangled. Okay, no. Come on, up.
I guess that works.
Ooh, popped out.
That's lucky.
There you go, guys.
That's gonna release.
2 pounds, 11 ounces. Go back, make more babies for us. All right, guys, we got another one here.
Small marshmallow.
Gosh,
Or was that you?
probably me.
Was that the fishing boat? It is 1:30.
Go.
Got him. Stay on the wheel.
He's coming up.
Move.
Yep.
Small. It's small.
All right.
It's gonna start
Awesome. That is awesome, guys. Look at this deck. It's so messy.
Look how much fish we caught. We're slaying them.
We're not. Well, now we got them figured out where they are. This is the smallest of the day, probably.
Oh, wait.
Pretty. Look at these guys. Pretty looking fish.
It's a beauty.
It's kind of small.
I'm fire.
Reel in a little bit. Reel. Stop.
I see him.
Pull.
We got him.
Glue bata.
Shut up. I did it nice.
No, fight slow. Oh no, it came off.
No, that's right.
Oh,
That's right.
he's gone.
I'll redo it.
No, he's not gonna eat again. Well, he will, but then he's not gonna. He's swimming away already, Eisen. Let's go. Let's move. Yeah, he's swimming that way already. He's already.
I should have set the hook tighter.
No, you did good. I don't know why he kept shaking his head a lot.
He tried getting the hook out.
And he was successful,
I start the engine.
so it's okay.
We're gonna move it.
That was cool.
I did a good hook set.
He shook his head a lot. That's why. Oh, he's coming back.
Really?
Yeah. Try again.
I'm gonna try again.
No, he's already swim. He's not. He won't sit in this.
One more time.
Count. One more cast. Well, he's not. Okay, he's. Let me cast this for you. Yeah, he's kind of spooked now.
I'm gonna do a nice hook set this time.
Wait, that's if he bites though.
Is it right on the nest?
Yep.
Tell me when to pull.
Pull a little bit. Pull a little bit.
No,
Try
he
the
doesn't
other
want
one.
it. He doesn't want it.
He knows yours.
You gonna try using yours?
Yes.
I'm gonna go on the other side and see if I can find any others.
There you go, yeah.
Can I reel? Oh, net.
Is my camera on?
No, oh yeah.
Okay, up, fish pole up. You keep your fish pole bent. To the side now. Right to the side, yep. Alan, get ready. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Why? What's wrong?
Eisen's fishing pole. Up.
Get him.
Come on, get him.
Oh my gosh.
You're taking it out. No.
Get him.
Alan, up. No. Like, move your net. Now. Get up. There you go.
No.
Let's go.
Where's the lure?
On the net.
No, I don't see anything.
And he took it off.
Where's the lure?
It's a hook, Ellie. It's here.
It's 2 pounds and 8 ounces.
Really? You're too far to the right and left. No, cast it to the right again.
Right there?
Yep,
Like how
right,
you
right,
did it?
exactly like how I did it.
What time is it?
Like that? Got him? Oh, in net! Oh, that's a big one. I'm gonna get the scale ready.
Not yet. Up. There we go. Let's go. There you go. Nice one. Let's go. That guy was aggressive. He wanted it. Nice thing. Oh, he's coming. Oh, just wait. Pop. Okay, stop. Pull. Oh, okay. Do it again. Cast again.
Right there. And then
Yep, and reel in a little bit. Reel in a little bit.
you want to stop and let it see.
Reel. Put your flipper to the right. Reel a little bit. Okay, he's looking at. Oh, he reel a little more. Okay, stop. He's looking at. Oh yeah, he's swimming away. You just wait.
Leave it there.
Yep, leave it there. Wait till he turns around again.
Oh, he's coming.
Okay, pop it up. You stop. Pop.
Oh, looking.
Ay, no.
Yes. Good job, baby.
I flip it to the backside. Okay,
Oh, it's a good.
up.
Oh.
Lift it up higher. Get right here.
Get him. Get him.
Right here. Ooh, it's good. It might pop off. And like up. Get him. There you go.
Oh.
Swing him over. Nice job, man.
I only took a few
This
casts.
guy was really aggressive.
I only took a few casts. Gotta careful. I'm slaying them.
There you go. Huh.
I release.
Okay, yeah.
Woo!
There we go. Good job, buddy. Let's go. That's how we do it.
This is probably the most funnest fishing trip I've been on.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
I caught that on film. Better not lie.
I'm not. This is.
Okay, he's coming in. Oh, he's looking at yours. Leave it. Whoa. Oh, okay. No, reel.
felt it, I
Okay,
felt
reel again. Do it again. He just like picked at it.
Yeah, I know.
Can I try it for him?
Yeah. You gotta take off the spoon.
Alright guys, there's another guy right here. He picked at my son's swim bait a few times. Now we're gonna trick him with the good old drop shot.
If he doesn't know what, that's on me casting him again.
Shoot. There you
Got
go,
him?
yes.
On his neck. Come over here.
You know, he's smaller. He's got black fins.
That's cool.
And mating colors.
And can I net him?
Oh no! He came off. Okay, that's fine. Why are they popping off? I set the hook so hard.
Where did you say what? Right here?
Oh, I can't really see him right now. Just wait.
Point with your rod.
He's right there.
Here? Okay.
Okay, good. That might work. Oh, we're in a bad angle. I can't see your lure. No, just let it sink.
So far it didn't rain that hard.
Shh. Oh, 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 oh. That was crazy, guys.
That was first cast.
He swam up with it. Otherwise, we would not have known.
Wow, this guy's feisty.
He came up, he jumped with it, and you didn't even know that he would
No,
had
I felt him.
All right, guys. Eisen caught one on his own. That was some crazy action. All right, guys. With that, I'm gonna conclude it for today for this lake. Honestly, overall, it wasn't that bad. In the beginning, we kind of struggled because this lake has a lot of muddy spots, and we just had a very hard time actually getting onto the fish and the general area where they were bedding. And the funny thing was, they were actually bedding right by where our campsite was. Our campsite is actually like right behind us, right there. And we've been making runs across the lake just to catch these fish, and the whole time they were just on the same shoreline as we were. But anyways, guys, again, please like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and yeah, until next time, peace.